I want to see these numbers. I want to see the number, okay?
Yeah, let's see the number. Come on! God damn it! Then you gotta do the 21 with us tomorrow, and so on. Ah! Good night.